Hey there fellow YouTubers, Professor Wolters here, and today we're here in the Netherlands, and today I'm going to answer a question that a number of people have sent to us, and that is, hey Professor Wolters, when can I make money on YouTube? Now the thing is when people ask when I can make money, it is different than how you can make money. Those are two distinctly different kind of things, and we have another video that talks about how to make money on YouTube, like 20 different ways. What we're going to focus on here is when you can actually get those ads that show up before your video or in the middle of your video or at the end of your video, you know, those things. That's how people actually make money off of the YouTube ads. Because you'll notice some videos on small channels don't actually have any advertisements that go in front of them. They just play automatically. And the thing is, YouTube has some restrictions or criteria for YouTubers that create videos. They have to meet a certain number of criteria in order for them to actually have YouTube split the ad revenue from those ads with them, okay? And there's tons of videos that talk about this, but the basic things are, one, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. So 1,000 legitimate subscribers on your channel. So you look down there and you'll see, oh, it has 2,000 subscribers or 50,000 subscribers or 1,050 subscribers. Yes, that's one criteria you've met. You have enough subscribers. Now, the thing is, though, they will check this later to see how many of these subscribers are legit, how many aren't. So don't think, oh, I'll just pay a bunch of people to get me all these subscribers, I'll be fine. Because there's another criteria they have. The second criteria they have for you is 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube. And the thing is, you may think, oh, 4,000 hours, that's not much at all. Well, think of it this way. That's 240,000 minutes. So if your average video gets watched 2 minutes each, that's 120,000 views before they'll let you monetize. And for some people, it's a lot harder to get those hours than it is to get the subscriptions, or vice versa. So you need to think about that because it will take time. It is not an overnight thing. Another thing you have to think about is that 4,000 hours that we're talking about, that has to be within 365 days. So it's not the whole lifetime of your channel. It's only in the last 365 days have you gotten that many watch hours in order to fulfill those 4,000 hours, okay? Now, a couple other things I think you should realize is you got to make sure you also don't have any copyright strikes, or if you don't have any community guideline strikes, because if you have those, that may make them say no. Because the thing is, YouTube has these criteria because they don't want channels that advertisers are going to feel bad about, like they don't want to be advertising on bad channels, right? And so they're kind of checking these things out to make sure everybody's okay. And the thing is, they don't monetize right away. It doesn't happen overnight. It can take a week or 2 weeks or a month to make these things happen. So if you are getting impatient, you can always tweet to them or write to them as well to YouTube, and they'll give you a heads up of how far it's going, if there's any issues out there. That can be really helpful. And then if you do get monetized, yeah, you can monetize right away. And so you want to make sure you put ads on all your old videos. Sometimes they'll let you put them all in there in the first place, so you're okay. But one thing I will say is you don't get paid right away. What you have to realize is YouTube will track the whole month, let's say the whole month of June. It goes through all the month of June and collects all the ad revenue you have then. And then on the 21st of the next month, so you get paid for June, you get paid for that like the 21st of July, you'll get that. So you get paid once a month. You'll need to give them some bank information so they can direct deposit for you and things like that. And there are other restrictions in terms of what countries you're in and where your money can go and stuff like that. But in general, when you're asking, when can I actually monetize my videos? Well, once you get 1,000 subscribers, you get those 4,000 hours of view time. You haven't done anything bad. And then throw another month on top of that. That's how long it's going to take. So it really depends on your channel, how fast or how slow that's going to be. So I hope that helped you know when you can actually monetize your YouTube channel. If you want to learn more, we've got a whole playlist of all kinds of YouTube tip videos down below in the comments. We'll go in the comment section. You'll see a link there, but also in the information section, you go in there. We have all kinds of videos from how to monetize your channel, how to start a YouTube channel, what are some of the common mistakes that people make, whether they're a new YouTuber or an old YouTuber, kind of stuff like that. So just go down there and check that out, and hopefully we'll have some videos to help you out. If you like helpful marketing videos and YouTube videos like this, why not click that subscribe button, and you'll get new videos every week that we put out to help YouTubers like yourself with questions and comments and tips and all kinds of good stuff. Anyway, I'll say bye from the Netherlands.